looking after us. Look at this. Getting bloody van cleaned while we're here. I can work for these more often. But yeah, thanks to these guys for washing van. It's been a pleasure to work for them.
Yeah, look, now you haven't seen me for about 3 weeks.
Don't work anymore.
I've been on holiday, and I actually had COVID again first week. So yeah, we just come down at Leeds. Little job was starting today on Domestic Street, Holbeck, Beeston Way. See, it's a fancy blue colour that we've got this, but I didn't see for the sun actually, but I'll get from the other way and you can see it. Basically where this temporary fence is, we're just going to replace that with some blue V-mesh and 2 sets of double gates basically. So yeah, just to go on that line, which is not going to be the easiest of digs, but there you go. I'll keep you updated once the other lads get here. The traffic this morning has been a nightmare, so we'll keep you updated.
It's a car wash place we're doing some fence for. Two mesh gates going in, 2 metre high. Obviously going up a hill, so there will be a bit of a gap underneath the front. Can't go out, obviously, because it's going onto a main road. As you can see, it's quite an hard dig, hence why we brought the digger. So we've got the pecker out on there, nice big holes, all the gate posts, because there's another gate to go down the bottom, all in today, and all the posts in today. Pretty much all sorted, and then tomorrow it'll just be a case of coming out, hanging the gates hopefully, and just doing the last few little bits and bats, as you can see. Okay, loves it. I love it when I've got camera out and the cat do know. It's orange, he said. It's orange. And then as you can see, it goes down there. We're going to be tying onto that wall. It's got Jamie digging out these last little bits. We're going to bring some sand and cement tomorrow and get that out. But yeah, we will see you tomorrow, guys. Morning. So, second day over here at the Super Soapbox in Leeds, and lads are just getting started. Well, getting started, they've already been cracking on. Hanging gates. Baggy's just drilling into the wall now to hang the other gate, to hang the other posts for a little cut that we're doing. As you can see, we'll hang these posts next. Sorry, hang the gates next, and then been and got on some nice timber, feather edge, some rails. So what we're going to be doing is, once we've done this front section, is we're going to be bolting onto the wall a little gate, 1.2 wide, 1.8 high, and then onto that side of the wall, just enough access to get the bin through. Gone in well. Obviously, as you can see, this is being painted blue. We're going to bring some sand and cement tomorrow, get all these holes finished off, nice smooth finish. That's what we like to see. Baggy's just bolting onto the wall now, just this last little cut. Already got that one in. Brought the clamp bars, good lad. Is he doing it without bending? See, looking good. Baggy loves being on camera. Favourite hobby. Yeah, we'll get cracked on and we will see you later. I'll keep you updated. So we've got lads hanging next gate, looking after us. Look at this. Getting bloody van cleaned while we're here. I can work for these more often and get other van done as well, and not like that. We usually use them Morrison's one, but you don't get a wash like that at Morrison's. There's no pressure in it. As you can see, lads are hanging gate now. We've got the other, you see a little camera on there, getting a little time lapse of it all. But yeah, thanks to these guys for washing van. It's been a pleasure to work for them. afternoon, guys. So we're doing a little job just around corner from yard in Fagley. Doing it on behalf of Regent Management, I believe a housing company. So we got here this morning. When I initially came and quoted it out, they did have a fence up. It wasn't going to last long. That were about 3 months ago when I initially came out. And then we got here this morning, fences all fallen down. So we've cracked it off. We're doing a nice 1.8 timber paling, single-sided on the front with a 1-inch gap, and we'll also add the capping on top. As you can see, we've had a couple of tricky holes, especially where trees are, but we've managed to post it just in between the roots. We're just getting the last couple of posts in now. We'll leave these to set overnight. Back tomorrow, get it railed, paled and capped. It's just a mud slope down, so we've come out a bit more just because we want to get good solid posts in the ground. We go further to the right and it's just going to slope away, and if these ever come and mess with this ground, it's going to do the same. So as you can see, just as a future precaution, as you can see, we've put it in solid. There's enough ground there, it's not going to slope down. So if we come back and this fence is for some reason fallen down, well, none of our fences ever do, it'll be because someone's tampered with this ground on this side. Unfortunately, we can't help, but it's on video and you can see that it's solid in the ground. As you can see, nice line there, look at that. Oh, post just interlink. That's what you like to see. So we're going to start wrapping all major tools up now, get these last saws done, and apparently we'll have a look at Sky and absolutely pee it down soon, so get out of here before that happens. And we'll keep you updated, and it'll look lovely when you see it tomorrow. Have a good one.
How is everybody? Oof, it's been a whirlwind week since I got back off my holidays. Sorry I've not been involved too much in the videos. I've just been absolutely stacked out. Obviously, you can imagine I was sort of on holiday for, what was it, 12 days or something abroad. Then I was only back a day or so, and then I was away at Scooterelli in Braid. So literally 2 weeks off, and it's took me best part of a week this week to sort of catch back up, and for some reason it's just gone really busy again. So yeah, I'm still stuck in the office Friday afternoon. The lads are finishing it over at Laycock School today. Should get that boxed off, and yeah, it's all in all, it's been a good week really. The weather's kind of kept off for us, which isn't bad for this time of year. But I'm busy in the office, as you can see, doing quotes, and yeah, it's not a bad problem, but sometimes you just want to get out with sunshine outside. I'm stuck in here, but yeah, all good in the hood, and hopefully I'll be back on the videos a bit more next week. But in the meantime, take care, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.